You understand the question, but you answer too slowly. Today, we fix your response speed. In real conversations, speed changes everything. It's not about advanced vocabulary. It's not about perfect grammar. It's not about sounding academic. It's about responding without long pauses. When you answer quickly, people feel confidence. They don't analyze your grammar. They don't measure your vocabulary. They feel your energy. Speed creates authority. When you hesitate too long, something shifts. The rhythm breaks. The attention drops. Sometimes the other person interrupts. Sometimes they change the topic. Sometimes they assume you are unsure. And this is not about intelligence. It's about reaction training. Fluent speakers are not thinking word by word. They are reacting in patterns. They trained their brain to move fast. And once speed becomes natural, confidence follows automatically. Today, you begin building that speed. You respond slowly because you are trying to be perfect. Your brain searches for correct grammar. It checks verb tense. It compares vocabulary options. It tries to avoid mistakes. But conversations don't wait. While you are building the perfect sentence, the other person is already moving forward. This creates pressure. Pressure creates fear. Fear slows thinking. Slower thinking increases hesitation. It becomes a cycle. The truth is simple. Conversation rewards clarity and movement, not perfection. You don't need the best sentence. You need a clear sentence. Speed first, polish later. If you shift your focus from perfect to active, your response time improves immediately. Here is a powerful speaking rule. Start speaking within 3 seconds. Not the full answer, just the beginning. Use activation phrases. That's a great question. Well, I think. To be honest, that depends. These phrases act as bridges. They give your brain time. They keep the conversation alive. They prevent silence. While your mouth is moving, your brain organizes ideas. This overlap is the secret. Silence increases anxiety. Movement reduces it. The moment you begin speaking, you regain control. 3 seconds. That's your new standard. Templates reduce mental effort. Instead of inventing new structures every time, you reuse flexible patterns. For giving opinions, I believe that. In my opinion. From my experience. For adding reasons, the main reason is. One important factor is, this usually happens because. For soft disagreement, I see your point, but that might be true. However, I'm not completely convinced. These templates work in almost any topic. Work, travel, technology, education, daily life. The more you repeat them, the more automatic they become, and automatic language creates fluent reactions. Complex sentences slow you down. Many learners try to sound advanced. They build long structures. They add unnecessary details. But complexity increases hesitation. Short sentences create rhythm. For example, instead of explaining everything in one breath, divide your idea. I think it's a good idea. It saves time, and it's more efficient. 3 short lines, clear message, no stress. Short sentences allow you to breathe. They give you control. They reduce mistakes. Fluency is smooth rhythm, not complicated grammar. To improve speed, you must practice under light pressure. Ask yourself fast questions. What motivates you? What's your biggest goal? Do you prefer working alone or in a team? What's your opinion about remote work? Answer immediately. No preparation, no rewriting, no pausing. The first answers won't be perfect. That's fine. The goal is speed. Your brain adapts to repetition. If you train quick reactions daily, it becomes your default mode. Just like muscles grow with resistance, reaction speed grows with pressure. The expand method helps you avoid short, empty answers. Step 1. Give a short answer. Step 2. Add one reason. Step 3. Give one small example. Example: I enjoy learning English because it opens new opportunities. For example, I can connect with people worldwide. This structure is simple. It prevents silence. It keeps your answer organized. You don't need long speeches. You need controlled expansion. This method keeps the conversation flowing naturally. Use a timer to simulate real conversation pressure. Set 5 seconds for each answer. Start immediately. Don't restart. Don't correct mid-sentence. If you make a mistake, continue forward. Forward movement is more important than accuracy. Over time, your brain learns something powerful. It learns that speaking fast is safe. Fear reduces. Thinking becomes flexible. Recovery becomes natural. Fluent speakers are not mistake-free. They are mistake-tolerant. That tolerance creates speed. Slow responses are often emotional, not linguistic. When you hesitate, your brain enters defensive mode. It wants safety. It wants correctness. It wants zero mistakes. But real fluency requires risk. When you begin speaking faster, you override fear. Action replaces overthinking. Every quick response sends a message to your brain. I can handle this. Confidence grows through repetition. Speed is not only technical, it is psychological. Train speed, and you train emotional stability. Here is your structured routine. 5 minutes. Rapid-fire questions. Answer without stopping. Keep energy high. 3 minutes. Repeat starter phrases with emotion. Change tone. Change speed. 2 minutes. Free speaking. Choose any topic. No pauses allowed. 10 minutes daily. In 30 days, your reaction time will change. In 60 days, your confidence will shift. In 90 days, speed will feel natural. Consistency beats intensity. Small daily pressure builds automatic fluency. In Part 1, you stopped translating. In Part 2, you increased your response speed. You are not just learning English, you are training reaction. In the next lesson, you will learn powerful reaction phrases that instantly make you sound natural. Step by step, your fluency system is building. This is not random practice. This is structured training. This is English Fluency Hub. I'm Alex, and we build real speaking power.